Welcome back again, my friends. Today I've got an unboxing from a company that I wouldn't say is local to me, but is within the country, so I'm not waiting for the slow boat from China. Diamondart.ca. I got a couple of them from them. I've never ordered from them before. Let's take a look and see what we get. Welcome back. It is June the 2nd. I ordered this off diamondart.ca on May the 27th. It actually said it was supposed to show up yesterday, but I'm not going to blame that on anyone. The postal service is completely overworked right now. I paid $14.95 each for these, plus $11.95 shipping and handling for the two. I think the shipping was similar regardless of how many I put in, so I was going to only order one to tide me over till my China mail shows up, and decided instead that I would order a matched set. Came in this nice box, so it is an actual unboxing. Safety first. Extra plastic. Oh, these are tightly wound here. Okay, so we've got two pictures here. They are similar. They're not very large. I believe they were 30 by 25. They're little snack sizes, and I thought they would be kind of cute to get in here. diamondart.ca has very simple instructions to let you know what's going on with each one. I'm going to open this one first, because this is the one I was going to buy all by itself. And then I saw its mate to go with it. And decided I might as well keep a theme going in the house through the seasons. These are going to be seasonal offerings. Okay, so can we get any... Yeah, my light's awful low to the ground, which is great for working, but not so great for filming. You kind of see... Ooh, I've pulled back some of the plastic from the cover. That's probably not good. I am a professional. Who am I kidding? You can see the thumbnail there. These are poured glue. They are clear covers. And that is the canvas. There we are. Hello Fall, and it's got pumpkins in the back of the pickup truck. It's an old-fashioned, I would say, 1930s red pickup truck. It's got a bushel of apples on the front and a bunch of big pumpkins in the back. It says Hello Fall, and it's got fall leaves coming down and everything else. If you know me, I love fall. Halloween is not an accident of naming. Bog standard kit. There's a couple of baggies in there, which is nice, but other than that, it's pretty standard. Let's take a look at these drills. I don't see DMC numbers on these. No. But there's 18 colors, which, considering how tiny a painting this is kind of impressive. There are no DMC numbers on these. Hopefully that's something that will change with Diamond Art. But we've got color number 1, which looks to be black. There's 3 of those. And yeah, it's all background. This is supposed to be kind of like a blackboard type thing. 2 is a gray. 3 is a slightly lighter gray. 4 is almost a green gray, a little lighter than that. Got a hitchhiker in there. 5 is an even lighter gray. 6 is an even lighter gray. Actually, that might be white. It's an off-white if it's a white. 7, that's a red. 8 is another red. 9 is sort of going into the orange spectrum with that red. I would say 10 is orange, 11 is sort of an orangey peach, 12 is more to the peach, 13 is definitely lighter peach. Then we've got pea green there, split pea soup there, yellow, sort of a rust color in both of those, almost a purpley red there. But 18 packages with 3 for number 1 since it's the most. We do have all 18 colors. No DMC numbers, which again is a little bit of a disappointment. It does have the X319, which is the canvas code there, so if I put these aside on their own just as a little tangle, I will be able to still match them up with the canvas they came from. So that's the first of the 2 canvases. Measurements. It says 30 by 25 centimeters, which I think is what was advertised. Is this the canvas size or the drill size? I think it's probably the canvas. Yeah, the canvas is 30. The drill area is 25. The canvas is 25. And the drill area is 20. So it's more like a 20 by 25, which not great, but this is definitely a reseller. There's a lot of Chinese on here, and some of they've got some very poorly translated English down here. Diamond, non-edible raw materials. Please don't let children play. Let's steer entrance. Medium, other accident. This is not a good translation.
No, it is not.
Yes, thank you. Comments from the Peanut Gallery. She's busy working on her unicorn. So that's that one. And I expect this one's going to be pretty much the same. Again, we've got our instructions, which is nice to have there. These are actually written by native English speakers, so they're easy to pick up. So that's nice. And this one seems to have less Chinese on it. But you can see why I got this one along with that one. They're very similar. But instead of pumpkins and leaves and apples, it's a Christmas tree and snowflakes. And it says, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I don't know how clear this one's going to be when it's finished. This one, the Hello Fall, was very clear. This might be a step too far. But again, I think we're looking at similar issues. Very sticky canvas. No issues there.
Wait a minute, the canvas, my unicorn canvas is glittery.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Cool.
Like the actual canvas, not the gems.
Yep. I've heard of that before. I haven't seen them though. I'll have to come over and look in a minute. Again, standard. There's a couple of baggies in there, but for the most part, standard kit. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This one has 19 colors, so one more than the other. Again, no DMC codes, but since that one didn't have it, I didn't expect it with this one. And this one we're starting with a pink, which I think is the highlights on the truck. Some of them. Pink, gray is number 2, 3 is sort of like a dusty rose. 4, we've got 2 packs of, that's our black. 5 is gray, 6 is slightly darker gray, 7 is lighter than 5. I think it's even lighter than 2. 8, looks like a midnight blue. 9, sort of a greeny gray. 10 is pretty leaf green. That's probably going to be in the tree. 11 is sort of a purpley red, like a burgundy. 12 is a lighter version of that. 13 is more of a brick red. 14 is a dark blue again. 15 is a paler brick red. 16 is another pink, which is the F color, I think. No, maybe it's light whites. It's in here and in the lettering. 17 is sort of a blue-gray. 18 is orange. And 19 is a dark gray. So, of these, I think I like the fall one better. I do like fall better than winter, because the braiding there is really clear. This one, I'm not sure how well it's going to show up, but sometimes it's hard to tell from just the canvas. But yeah, I plan on putting this one up probably starting on Labor Day, and then after Halloween taking this one down and putting this one up until after New Year's. That's the plan. I may actually put them on foam board and have the same frame for both of them, because they are very, very similar.
Yeah, they are.
If I get some more paintings before I run out of my owl, I will probably put these off a bit, because we're just barely starting summer. We're not anywhere near either of these seasons. But if I don't, I will start on them. I doubt they'll take me very long. They're quite small. But they are pretty much what I expected. I expected the drill size. They're a little more expensive than the China ones were, so I'm a little disappointed on that front. I'm a little disappointed in the no DMC. But for what they are, I'm relatively happy with them. So that was diamondart.ca. I know that they are trying to get a bigger variety of stuff in, so if I see more stuff on there that I like, I will probably order from them again, because this came very quickly. It was well packaged, everything's here, it is what I expected it to be. That's really all I can ask. Alright. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you found this informative. Like if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, subscribe if you can, if you want to see more of this stuff, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.